Finally I took the plunge and I went and got myself a Amazon Echo Show. Now I've got an Echo Dot already because I've been sent it free from Amazon when I bought the Ring doorbell, and I have no idea how it lived without it until now. I'm a gadget person, so obviously this was the next step. I only had the Echo Dot for a couple of days now, and I just went and got this because it was on sale, and it came with a Philips Hue bulb absolutely free. Now let me open it up and have a quick look at it, quick setup. I'm not one to go into too much detail about features and installation and all that, but what I want to show you and I'm more interested in is the home integration and how it works with different devices around the house. I can't say I have the smartest house out there, but what I have a smart TV, I have a Harmony smart remote and hub, I have a few security cameras from 3 different companies, and let's see if those are going to connect, and you know, little things like that. Obviously the Ring doorbell, little things like that. I want to see how Alexa Echo is going to work with. Straight out of the box. Well, I've noticed also that there's not a lot of videos out there about this, so I just thought I'll film it as well. What do I have here? I think this is it. I'll put the box aside. You have your charger. This is a an output of 18 volts at 1.67 amps, and I would think that this is a proprietary charger. You might find adapters like this maybe in other places, but obviously I'll use the one that came with it. The Echo Show is like a large 10-inch tablet, but obviously it is not a tablet. It has a rather large speaker on the back right here, and these are the manuals that came with it. You know, I don't really do manuals, and I like to find out about things as I go along. I shall remove this protected film from the Echo Show and just place it right here on the desktop. I will also remove the film from the charger, and I'm going to plug this in. Now I already said that I have an Echo Dot in the house that's already connected, so let's see how this is going to work with that as well. I haven't used this before, I haven't done this before, I never had one of these before, like the first generation and all that. So okay, remove this thing, that's a bit annoying. I'm gonna plug it straight in. Plug it into the mains right here. And then I should plug it at the back of the Echo Show, which is right here. You also have a micro USB port there, and the lock, and if you want to lock it the same way you lock laptops with a lock. And so I'm going to plug it straight in, then turn it this way. And do I have a power button? No, I don't have a power button. It comes straight on. Let's zoom in a bit. So I'll wait a little bit for it to start. This, as far as I know, like I said, I haven't done it before. It is a touch screen, yep. And what you have at the top, a volume up and volume down buttons.
Ready for setup.
Alright, she's ready for setup. The microphone right there on the top, a camera on the top here, and microphones right here. So like I said, at the back you would have the ports, the micro USB port. That's not for power, it's for something else, plug in something else, I don't know yet. The power port and the Kensington lock slot right there. So let's just start it up. I'm going to use English, and I'm going to connect it to my network, and I'm going to put the password in. I'm not going to see you guys. Here we go. So we are now connected to the network, almost there. And like I said, what I wanted to try and do and see is basically connect Philips Hue bulb. Let's just go through this and choose my let's go back to London. So we're gonna go to Europe. Okay, select region, select time, and here we have London, United Kingdom. Continue, and I'll just select the Echo Show, or I'll just delete this and I'll just say Echo Show. And then continue. We are gonna install the updates.
Updating this device.
There you go. Still waiting for it.
I'm back. Let's continue.
So the updates take a while. You can surely make a cup of tea while you're waiting for it, or if you haven't got any tea in the house, you can go and buy some tea from the shop and come back to it, and while the updates and everything is done. Now what do I do here? I'm just gonna go further and see what's going on.
Welcome to your new Amazon Echo Show. It's everything you love about Alexa, and she can show you things. Start by saying the wake word, Alexa.
So how can we skip this?
You'll know she's ready when a blue indicator appears on the screen. Use your voice to ask for videos and TV shows. Control compatible smart home devices.
Can we skip this? There you go. All the way to the end.
This device is ready.